Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the mirror effect on Picsart. So if you want to make your photo looking like a mirror, I'm going to show you how. So I've already opened my Picsart app, and then what you need to do is click on the plus icon and then choose the photo that you want to edit. I'm going to use a photo from Picsart. I'm going to choose this and then I'm going to make this photo into a mirror. So you just need to click on the effect menu at the bottom and then go to the swipe until you find this artistic menu, and then find the mirror option. Okay, as you can see here, you can find the mirror. It will look like this, and you can adjust. Just click on this and then you can adjust the mirror effect like this. Just swipe the offset into 0 or 100. I'm going to use 50, and you can also choose the other mode. I'm going to choose this, so it looks like twin. And you can also choose vertical or horizontal, just like this. You can also adjust the mirror effect. I'm going to choose normal and then click on check icon at the top and click on this to save the photo that has been added, the mirror effect. Okay, so just like that. That's so easy. I think you can follow it right away. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel for more content. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.